The heart is one of the most vital organs in the body, responsible for pumping blood and oxygen to all parts of the body. It works tirelessly to keep us alive, and taking care of it should be a top priority. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being, and there are a variety of ways to support its health. In this video, we will show you 10 foods that reverse heart damage. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Green tea. Drinking green tea has been associated with several health benefits, including weight loss, improved brain function, and lower risk of certain cancers. But green tea can also help reverse heart damage. One of the key ways that green tea benefits the heart is through its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that protect the body from damage caused by harmful substances called free radicals. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to a number of health problems, including heart disease. Green tea contains several antioxidants, including catechins and polyphenols. These compounds have been shown to help prevent damage to the heart and blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. In addition, green tea has been shown to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can contribute to heart disease. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent source of nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health. They contain a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which is responsible for the vibrant red color of tomatoes and has been shown to help reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene works by neutralizing free radicals in the body, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of heart disease. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes are also a good source of potassium. Potassium is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and heart function. A diet rich in potassium can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Another nutrient found in tomatoes that plays a role in reversing heart damage is folate. Folate is a B vitamin that helps to reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Folate also helps to regulate blood pressure and improve blood flow, both of which are important for heart health. 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has always been a guilty pleasure for many of us, but did you know that it has some amazing health benefits too? Recent studies have shown that eating dark chocolate can actually reverse heart damage, making it a great addition to your diet. Dark chocolate has been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This is because it contains compounds called flavonols, which can stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely through the body. By improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure, dark chocolate can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Dark chocolate is also known to reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to heart damage. 7. Eggs. Eggs have been a topic of controversy when it comes to heart health for quite some time. While some may argue that eggs are high in cholesterol and can contribute to heart disease, recent research has shown that consuming eggs can actually reverse heart damage. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, consuming 2 eggs per day for 6 weeks can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. The study found that participants who consumed eggs had an increase in HDL cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol, and a decrease in LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. This is important because high levels of LDL cholesterol can contribute to the development of atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in arteries and can lead to heart disease. 6. Garlic. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, and is often caused by the buildup of plaque in the arteries, leading to reduced blood flow to the heart. Garlic has been found to lower cholesterol levels, which can help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, and also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the risk of heart disease. One of the key components of garlic that provides these benefits is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been found to have many health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and lowering cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that eating garlic can help reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 50%. In one study, participants who consumed garlic extract for 6 months saw a significant reduction in their cholesterol levels, as well as a decrease in blood pressure. In addition to its cardiovascular benefits, garlic has also been found to have anti-cancer properties. 5. Avocado. Avocados have long been known as nutritious fruit that is packed with healthy fats and essential nutrients. Recent research has suggested that regular consumption of avocados may also help to reverse heart damage, making them a powerful addition to any heart-healthy diet. Avocados are rich in vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for heart health. They are high in potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and prevent heart disease. They also contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body. In addition to being high in healthy fats and potassium, avocados are also an excellent source of fiber. Fiber is important for heart health because it helps to regulate cholesterol levels in the body. High levels of cholesterol can lead to heart disease, so consuming foods that are high in fiber, such as avocado, can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens aren't just beneficial for preventing heart disease, but they can also help reverse damage that has already occurred. In a study of patients with heart failure, those who consumed a diet rich in leafy greens and other nitrate-rich foods experienced significant improvements in heart function. Leafy greens are rich in nitrates, which are converted to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator that relaxes the blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow through. This increased blood flow helps to supply more oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscles, which can help repair damaged tissues. Moreover, leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, which help to reduce inflammation in the body. The antioxidants found in leafy greens, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, help to neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative stress. 3. Red wine. Red wine is a popular alcoholic beverage that is enjoyed by many all over the world. In addition to its delicious taste, red wine is also known for its many heart benefits. Research has shown that resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant found in red wine, can help to protect the heart and reverse damage caused by various cardiovascular conditions. Works by activating a protein called SIRT1, which is known to have many protective effects on the heart. When SIRT1 is activated, it helps to protect the cells in the heart from damage and inflammation, which can lead to heart disease. Studies have also shown that resveratrol can help to improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of the blood vessels. When the endothelium is functioning properly, it helps to regulate blood flow and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. 2. Berries. Berries are one of the most delicious and nutritious fruits that you can eat. They are packed with vitamins, antioxidants and other nutrients that promote health and well-being. They are high in antioxidants, which are compounds that help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By eating berries, you can help to protect your heart from damage and reduce your risk of developing heart disease. One antioxidant in particular, called anthocyanin, is found in high concentrations in berries and has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties. Studies have found that anthocyanins can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the arteries, which can help to improve blood flow and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition to their antioxidant properties, berries are also rich in fiber and other nutrients important for the heart. For example, berries are high in vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. 1. Salmon. Salmon is a healthy and delicious fish that is packed with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to have numerous health benefits. One of the key components of salmon is its high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. In a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, researchers found that eating salmon can reduce the risk of heart failure in patients who have had a heart attack. The study followed 114 participants who had recently suffered a heart attack. Half of the participants were given a daily dose of omega-3 fatty acids, while the other half were given a placebo. After 6 months, the participants who had taken the omega-3 supplement had a 60% reduction in their risk of heart failure compared to the placebo group. Omega-3 fatty acids can also lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of abnormal heart rhythms, both of which can contribute to heart damage. In conclusion, the heart is a remarkable organ that plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Taking good care of it should be a top priority for everyone. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding unhealthy habits like smoking, we can ensure the longevity and vitality of our hearts. It's never too late to start making positive changes to support the health of our hearts and lead a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.